Welcome back guys to my channel. Just an update of what I'm doing to the BMW E30. So the engine is out, so I'm just doing some sanding. You can see I'm taking off the upper coat, how do we call that, the shiny part of the paint, taking it out, making it ready for the next coat. So this is the front panel. We managed to take out the engine, everything, engine, transmission, and everything is out. Why did we do this? We are trying to deal with the rust profile which was evident in the car. So you'll notice that some parts of the car are missing. We took them out. Why? Because we would want to replace them again. So this is the engine bay. The engine bay as it is. So we'll take out all the filler work so that we might have a neat work. So I'll be repainting the engine bay. So let me take you inside some of the things that we've done. So if you can notice, it looks a little bit so now this is the inside. So if you'll see, this is the driver's compartment panel. You'll find that I've managed to cut the floor. The floor is now out. Why? This is how the floor looked. Let me show you. So you can see this is how it was. I've managed to cut it out. The reason as to why I took it out, I would want to repair or replace with a new floor. Yeah, so the reason as to why it got the extent of rust profile was evident, I think it was something to do with the water. So this is the driver's panel, the driver's section, the co-passenger, the co-driver section. Yeah, you can see. So I'll be doing a new floor to the car. So let me take you behind. So this is the trunk or the boot. So from our last video, I managed to cut this section out. So we'll be replacing with a new section or a new part in it. So from behind, so this is the panel that was too rusty. So what I'll do, we'll just have to modify or cut it out, then replace with another panel that we'll find. Remember, we're trying to make this car look as original as it was. So let's get started.